I just getting set up for a little bit. Running like 5 minutes behind, but I don't see any moves yet. Gold was a maybe. I don't know how I feel about the short. Man, M&Q looks like it wants to go up too. Even though we have a soul collector, it looks bull flaggish. Let me just look up today's date. 29th, right? 10 o'clock is the only other news, and it's only yellow, so it's nothing crazy. Man, does this look like it wants to go up? Looks like it's a risk, though. Let me see here. Nah, we're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold off on that one. It's telling me to buy. But it's kind of like a sideways movement right now. I don't know.
Germany's 10-year bond yields fall to the low since December 8th, down 4.2 basis points at about 2.824%.
Up or down, up or down. Whoa, gold. Damn, we should have took it. Maybe took it. I'm dying. It looks like it wants to go up. Alright, we're gonna try it. Stop loss will probably be around. Man, that's gonna hurt. It's just gone below VWAP. That one's going to hurt if I'm wrong. Yeah, just be careful with this one, guys. Or at least size down to 1 micro. This is like a flat wall. It's just a 1, so I'll start doing fucking 2s. Alright, we need a bounce here. Still says high or low, which is really good here. That's trying to form. I don't see why this doesn't go up though. Come on. Just like that. 2 micros, $700, bro. See what happens. Goes below the cloud, we gotta get out. Needed to fucking bounce. God. Ay, ay, ay. Pull back a little. Sorry, guys. Was doubting myself in the beginning here on it, and I probably should have listened. Looked like it wanted a little higher though. Well, we're in the middle of the orb again, so just be careful, because it might be choppy. If we can get the break even, I'll get the fuck out. Look at this little micro order block here. I'm gonna try to get that out to you guys today. I think I'm done coding it. And then it'll just be an add-on. Like, it'll be your choice if you want to use it. You don't have to use it. Yeah, I'm just not sold on this down here. You know, one from green to red back to green. That's a fucked up market right there. I think that sucks though. If it does come down, it has a good chance to come down to 720s. We do have our shift, but we need a higher low. We're already in between VWAP and the blue line. Maybe gold is what we need to trade today instead. Last night, gold was fire. Fire. Wow, insane. Fucking 2 micros, 250. What you want to do there, fucking NASDAQ? Piece of shit. Not convincing me yet. Wants to go down. I want to add one more. But I only want to add if it comes down to this block here. All right, I added one more. If we can get back to this order block up here that just formed. It's just not. It just looks sloppy in the way down.
In 10 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, get the US pending home sales change month over month. Data for November forecasted 0.75% on the prior 1.9%. The index saw a prior read of 76.3.
Yeah, I think this one's.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're
all right, this is where we wanted it to go originally. Crazy. Down 400 on 3 micros. I feel like he still wants to go up, but now I'm just risking it. I originally seen a bull flag, it was holding and wanted to go up, and then it just dropped on me. But I'm not convinced with this. I'm gonna do one more, so I'm in 4 total. The micro NASDAQ. Just not. Doesn't look right. We're at the 61% on the 5-minute. Woohoo, thank you. Thank you for the hearts. Come on, give me a fucking bounce. Literally be okay with a break even right there. I know that was like a deep pullback, but it doesn't look like it was ready to do that. The only fortunate thing was it was moving 145 fucking points. If you look at Dum Dum, you were wrong. I should have noticed that. I just started with 1 micro. I mean, I started with 2. Come on, man. Get the fuck up there.
In 5 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we get the US pending home sales change month over month for November. Forecast 0.75% on the prior 1.9%. The index saw a prior read of 76.3.
John Cena. The fuck is going on with this? Yo, Nasdaq's been sucking ass, bro. Gold's been pretty decent. This kind of looks like a head and shoulders for gold. Depending on where this is. We're getting fucked with low volume, guys. 4 minutes into the housing comes out. It's only yellow news. Not red. Hopefully get some life to the market though. Then it went from fucking just sideways on me. Can't hold this though, then I have to close it.
Daddy? Is that you? Alexander. Oh. Oh,
Daddy, chill.
3 minutes left. Well, 2 minutes now. Goes past here, then that's no good. If gold rips past, this is probably going to continue down. Man, this thing's driving me crazy.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the US pending home sales change month over month.
Give me a bounce. Good morning, Astrid. Big boy with the rose. My man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fuck, this one hurt. Mornings have not been the best to me lately. I don't know if you guys feel the same. If this can hold a high or low off this little altar block,
10 seconds.
get this to rip. Come on.
3 spot 3%, 3 spot 3%, which is higher than forecast, 0 spot 75%. The index at 79 spot 2, 79 spot 2.
Good. No. So it's probably dropping down here if it can't hold. We're at the 61%, literally the pullback here. I don't see why we don't get a little fucking bounce. Keep going. It looked like it was gonna rip up about 5 fucking times and it's been denied. So we definitely need to keep that in mind. Come on. I don't trade silver, but a lot of people fucking made a lot of money last night on silver. Shorting it. I mean, we shorted gold and we made a lot of money, but they made a lot. Silver scares me. Jack B, I'm in a long now, but honestly, I'm not too thrilled with the way it's acting.
We have posted the US pending home sales November 2025 report on the feed for those interested. Spot gold extends losses, last down 4%.
Damn, it's fucking crashing. Still. Might switch over to gold the next short. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold. Got a lower high here. It breaks his lower low, it's fucked. One, two, three, 4 times looks like it's gonna go up just in this area. Not sure why. Thank you for the rose again, Mr. Big Boy. Come on, motherfucker. Get your ass up there. No fucking way. Oh, damn. You shower me. I'm like a stripper. Shower me, daddy. 100 roses. 110 roses. Still going. 150. 180. He's paid my bills. Oh man, 216 roses. Big dog, thank you, bro. Feeling
Daddy?
generous today?
Is that you?
Just doing those gifts, it boosted me up to 60 views instantly. Man, this area does not want to crack, which is great for me, but it's just not ripping up. Gold. It needs to break one of these fair value gaps to go up. Money, Maverick.
So again, did mention earlier, precious metals taking a little bit of a hit ahead of the market open today and into the US session this morning. So exchange operator CME hit the brakes on last week's wild rally in gold and silver futures by requiring traders to put down more cash on their bets. So the reversal came after CME raised margin requirements across a range of metals contracts. The exchange operator announced the increase in a Friday notice to traders, describing it as part of a normal review of market volatility. And the change took effect this morning. So again, we've posted the article in case you missed it on the feed for those interested. But precious metals are listed on CME taking a bit of a hit this morning.
Do I just close this trade? Beating me up, guys. It's beating me up. Literally in the golden pocket. It just bled sideways on me. Well, this is not how I really wanted to start my morning, guys. You know, I put in a lot of work last night just to have it fucking disappear in one trade. On which one, Maverick? Gold or M&Q? Man, it just looks like it wants to keep popping up, and it's just not doing it. So I'm like, do I just close it, and then I see the life of it, and then it just rips right back down. So it's definitely soul collecting me at the same time. Yeah, it might change for the end of this year. Yeah, I agree. New York price action on NASDAQ has been fucking dog shit.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader.
And it's funny because we said that about gold forever. Now gold's been sweet. not gonna stop, is it? As soon as I close this, done. Gonna reverse up as soon as I close this. And if I don't close, it's gonna keep bleeding. Completely gone. I'm fucking, oh my god. Like, why did I even trade last night? I sounded like a depressed fuck. I need the man to fuck up. Hit the order block. Let's go. Up. Come on.
So there are reports from Interfax that Ukraine tried to attack Putin's residence in the Novgorod region. TASS citing Russia's Lavrov says that Russia will retaliate
What are they doing? I thought they were like
and that
close
Russia
to a
will
peace
change
deal.
its negotiating position.
I thought they were close to a peace deal. I want to add into this, but I'm fucking scared.
Interfax does note, though, that Russia will keep negotiating. Again, just they'll change their negotiating position.
I mean, Soul Collector's right here. It's about to soul collect me. So what? They're just not. They're not making a deal. They're just gonna keep. I thought they wanted to. This move's fucking embarrassing. I should just fucking delete my whole entire account. Oh, he's making it worse? I keep seeing him saying, "Oh, I want to sign the agreement," or is he just fucking pulling legs? Ready for the sweep? This is gonna fuck me up. I'm closing it. We're gonna try to short it. Yeah, I think it wants lower. Fucking A, man. Alright, I'm in 10 micros. I gotta be careful what I'm doing, but we need one good rip through here and continue down to the 4-hour low. should rip through. Where it's gonna go, I don't know. We're at the ore bottom, but we're literally right there for the soul. No fucking way. Come on. No way. Come on. Ah! Am I crazy? Fuck me in the ass, bro. What the fuck? I just gave back $1,200 on each account. I gotta turn the camera off for a second. Gamble play here. Like, is this eventually gonna do what it's gonna want? I wanted to do. If not, then I don't care. We got this 5-minute order block here. Comes back up, rips down right to the 50. So hopefully this continues up. To the 3.82. But what a bitch, guys. What a bitch. Thanks for subscribing. We're on the bottom of the cookie here, but give me some kind of break here. Off to 5, continue up, or maybe to the 50. This is what I originally thought. I literally closed my trade at the bottom. Insane. Now watch, this is gonna rip down and fuck me up, isn't it? Need a break here. Come on, just like you did before. Bleed up instead. We're definitely switching the gold after this, though. This one's already filled.
Seeing spot silver extend decline last down nearly 10%. So
Damn,
Amanda, we did
gold.
put out the article from earlier on that you had gold and silver prices that slumped after CME raised margin requirements according to the Wall Street Journal. Remember that piece is out in the feed. EIA is to release petroleum status report as soon as possible. They announced delayed release of weekly petroleum status report.
Maybe I should make this 15 and count my lucky stars.
CEIA report release will have at least 1 hour advance notice.
I mean, it's right there. Come on! Yeah, yogurt. I'm not proud of that, but I'm like, this is what I've been waiting for the whole fucking time. Watch it rip away from me. No, I want to keep it where it was.
Spot
I'm
gold
even gonna take
extends
partial
decline,
right here.
whilst down 5% now.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're
No way, get it. Alright, 5 left. Count my lucky stars, guys.
In 5 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA inventories report. So crude oil inventories are forecasted as a draw of 2 million on the prior draw of 1.274 million. The range sees a draw of 1 million to a draw of 3 million expected. Gasoline inventories forecast a build of 1.1 million on the prior build of 4.808 million. Distillate inventories forecast a build of 1 million on the prior build of 1.712 million. And crude Cushing inventories, the prior was a draw of 0.742 million.
Maverick, am I making you nervous? No, half is funded. Half is evals. Bro, I was so annoyed. I'm like, bro, I just made
Daddy?
fucking 5,000 last
you?
night just to give it back. But this is what I fucking originally thought. I know I'm not crazy.
So again, that's when the EIA's report was due to be released at the bottom of the hour. The recent statement from the EIA does say that this is going to be released. We'll have at least 1 hour's notice, but we do not have a time of release for this data just yet.
I'm not crazy. Don't put me in the loony bin. Come on.
Rosalina. Well, hold at it.
Daddy, chill.
Bring my spirits back. Come on, baby. I knew this was like a nonsense. I just didn't make sense, guys. Let's look back what I could have did better. Yes, we had our fucking soul collector. You know, maybe that could have been, hey, don't fucking do this. But it looked like it wanted to flag up. It tricked me, and I'm like, all right. Let's see if it bounces here. Looks like a great bounce. Starts ripping up. Psych. Starts ripping up again. Psych. And it's like, hey, just a little lower now. And then it just keeps ripping up. Psych. And it really just wanted the order block down here. But that was... we should have closed it over here. Right where I'm taking my TP. That should have been a close prior. Yeah, I know, Maverick. Fucking... Man, it looked really great, that bounce. I hope I didn't fucking destroy you guys and your accounts.
Ukraine's President Zelensky, on Russian accusations of an attack on Putin's residence, says this is a lie.
I want to go in a little bit more, and I definitely need to switch this. So why the fuck I take 5 more? Bounce off the cloud, kind of forming a high or low. It's green. It's a bull flag. Should hit my VWAP. Good. Okay, we broke the previous candle high. Come on. All right, very good. Even if it pulls back a little, it should continue up.
So just keep in mind, any second now, we are expecting the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. The prior read was -10.4. Forecast is -6. They're just waiting on that data to come out any time now.
I did not see that.
-10.9, -10.9, lower than forecast, -6.
Very good, very good. Good, 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 good. I'll take out 5 early. Just in case. Come on, come on. Definitely fighting here, so be careful. I don't want to be in it while it fights. I think it does go up eventually no matter what. But maybe I need to just reduce my size. So many rejections is going, and now it's just not going up again. I don't want it to be like before, that's for sure. There you go. Okay. Fighting a lot of fucking orders, tell you that. Well, we're in 2 order blocks here, so we got to be careful. There's one here and one here, aligned with each other. Definitely an issue. There you go. Okay. I feel like I want to close this and then take out 2 instead. Okay, we're at my TP. We got 2 left, and now I kind of want to just see if we can grind it up just a little bit. And that was, I don't know if that was luck or what. Pretty sure some of that was luck. I thought it was gonna sweep below this. Okay, we got a kind of like a three bar play. One big one, one 50% pullback, and then the third one, if it breaks it, it should launch it up a bit. The bullish play here. With a buy. Gold doing. Alright, gold's starting to make a higher low, so be careful if you're shorting gold It might start transferring. There you go. We might go to this fucking other order block up here instead.
TASS, citing Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Grushko, says that Russia sees Britain's influence in Ukraine's latest provocations aimed at disrupting the peace process.
We got 1 micro left.
Daddy? Is that you? 112, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I don't know if I should be happy or not. Like, the way I performed, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. But we're green. We'll shut the fuck up at the same time, right?
Daddy, chill.
It's like almost the opposite way, right? We came down, slow bleed, now we're slowly bleeding up. I gotta be careful with this. I can't keep it too tight. I'm okay with having it just over break even. You know, gold looks like it wants to go up now. So if you're in this, be careful. Look at the 5. Not much to go back on. 15. 15. We filled the order block here. It looks like we kind of want to go up. We got a hammer on it. This looks bullish now. Gold looks bullish. Gold looks bullish to me. I mean, we're gonna have some trouble here around 357s, 0.6, but just looks bullish to me finally. No. All right, it tapped me out. It tapped me out. Man, what a fucking ride. A lower high, higher time on the... Let's check Maverick. The problem is that it's a higher low here, and this might be a lower high here. So what does that tell you? Nothing. Chop, baby. So this is probably why I was getting confused. Look at this price action here. It says it wants to go up. We still made a higher low, so this could still continue up. But then your 1 minute was showing a downwards. I don't like how I handled that trade. I really don't. It beats me up inside. I should not be doing stuff like that. But we're back. But
The US EIA says they're delaying the release of the weekly petroleum status report for the week ending December 19th until later on Monday. It was previously expected to be released at 10:30 a.m. So this confirmation again, the EIA inventories numbers have been delayed until later today. They did say earlier they'd give us 1 hour's notice when it was coming out.
okay, so this looks bullish again on the 1. Comes up, bounces off the cloud. We're fighting, got 2 hammers. 1 breaks the previous camera high. Candle high. Good camera. What on this on NASDAQ X6? Are you in the positive, or are you negative right now? All right, I think I'm gonna go long. Just one. Just
You're
one.
behind the markets.
I'm not gonna fucking
if
play
you're
games.
a real day trader.
If it starts moving in my way, then I'll add into it. Stop loss is gonna be below this higher low that's trying to form. $7. Hey, it's green, baby. I was down a lot a minute ago. But look at the wicks. So this is what was confusing me before. All this way down, look at the wicks. Kept wanting to go up and then bleed. Up, bleed,
Daddy?
up, bleed. It's
Is
kind of
that
doing
you?
the same shit again. So definitely be careful on this. This is the NASDAQ futures. We should have been trading gold though.
Oscar, well, hold at it.
Daddy, chill.
Did I put my camera back on? There we go. All right, cool. I think this looks bullish again. It was fighting. I don't want to add too much into it, but see if it breaks this fair value gap, then I might add into it. Very nice. All right, we're over the hump. Higher lows printed, higher high. We might add, I might add in one more if it comes back here. Definitely slowed down a bit, so just be careful. Dallas Fed manufacturing was red. The only really thing we have left is oil. And the US 6-month bill bid. Sometimes that moves it. Oh wow, tomorrow is the FOMC meeting. And we're actually got US jobless claims on New Year's Eve. All right, I'm in 2. My stop loss is behind the higher low here. This should break and continue up. If it doesn't, then whatever, we lose a couple bucks here, but we have to risk a little here. What's it gonna be, guys? What do you think? Gold's not moving either. What the fuck? The 5-minute. Even if it taps me out, it taps this cookie here. I don't. Oof. Gonna get. All right. We're out for now because it doesn't. Just not going. I'm not confident it's gonna go down, but oh, there it goes. The higher low broke, so structure is gone, motherfuckers. Be careful if X6. Do you want to go back to the next fucking one? I almost want to short one of these. Now we have one more opportunity right here. I'm in 1 micro on these guys. 1 micro because I'm not sure what the fuck is going to dance around and do. And I'm not going to cry about it if I'm wrong. But this looks like it wants to bleed. Higher lows broken. Creating lower lows. It is one more order block here that it needs to rip through. Wow, gold. How do you have that much volume to dead? Oh, damn. We went right to it, huh, boys and girls? Shit. Want to see how it reacts here? If it wants to continue down to this other order blocks here. Okay, we're at the midline. Looking heavy. Smashing through. I'm gonna take TP at the midline at the last one. There it goes, dropping through. Very nice, very nice. Do have an order block here at 680s. I don't know what it wants. I'm going to assume maybe the top of that OB along with the other stronger OB. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we're right on top of it. If it starts bouncing, we should just close it. See what happens. You're right there, Daddy.
Natural gas futures rising 5%.
Fucking kidding me? Just gonna take it. That was a nice managed trade right there. Don't you guys think? That worked out very well for us. Using the old higher low break with the OBs. Our normal system though is, I mean, I don't want to say normal, but you know, our Soul Collector has not been really printing. Also, our longs have been semi. I guess they're good, good. This one failed, but it was right at the VWAP. We really need this fucking Soul Collector to fucking print down here. We went from Soul Collector constantly to nada. What do you think? Another short off this? It's going to be a gamble play. See, hold on. I want to see how it reacts a little bit more. We got 1 minute left. I don't know. Still kind of look strong.
White House spokeswoman Levitt says Trump has concluded a positive call with Putin concerning Ukraine. So again, that's Levitt saying that Trump has concluded a positive call with Putin concerning Ukraine.
I'm very confused with this war. Can any of you guys fucking help
This is
me out
Levitt
here?
making a post on X.
It looks like I think I want to short it now. We're gonna try one short. Stop loss will be right above the top of this fair value gap, which is right around 709s. Yeah, I'm not too sure on it, J-Core, so see, like that one just confused me. It might be wrong. Might be wrong. It's a gamble. It looked really great here, and then not so great now. If it hits it, it hits it. Yep, alright. Long shorts are no good.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets.
You think
If
it's gonna
you're
fall
a real
now?
day trader,
I don't
go real time at Fin.
I don't want to keep jabbing at it too much. We're in the cookie area, which is the cloud. 5 minute is fucking outrageous. I mean, this is kind of bullish on the 5. Man, I want to try one more. I want to try one more shot at this. Again, this is a gamble play. Be careful. No sound? Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello. Fuck. Alright, yeah, this doesn't want to go down. Took 2 jabs at it. It's just, it looks bullish then. You guys can hear me on TikTok? Just in case, I'm going to put a buy here. Or a stop. Alright, cool. DJ Taken. Nano, you're the only one. Fuck you! Nice. This is a tricky one here. Oh, so what was I saying about the Russia and Ukraine? You keep seeing news about Russia, good talks with Russia, good talks with Ukraine, and then the next article says Ukraine tried to take out Putin. And then Ukraine said that was a lie. Maybe it's just us trying to stir shit up. You know, the reporters, you know, they love juicy news. Thank you for the rose, Texas. what you want to do, you fucking price action. Wow, gold. You gold people are probably fucking pulling your hair out. Look at this nice rip down. Now, say we did take the soul collector on gold. New strategy added to it. Wait for the higher low. We enter. Starts ripping up. You could trail it if you want. Totally up to you. I probably wouldn't have. But our stop loss would be right here at this higher low. Because if it can't hold that structure, then no good. And guess what? Broke the structure with a short. We probably would have shorted this and got some of it out. This short would have hurt, but still good. Still good. Continue, continue. Very good. Very good. Very good. This one would have been a loss. So it would have been one loss out of that. Okay, if it closes above this, then no mas, no more. Will not be good. It's just the we will have to wait until a different form of structure appears for us. Like we're good. Right to that midline. There you go. I'm gonna add into this. Makes it easy to make a lower low. We'll take one out at the midline again that we didn't touch on the prior one. Basically below, almost. Come on. There you go. Very nice. Stop loss would be above this cloud. Very nice. Needs to make a lower low here though. If it doesn't, then it's trying to scoop out the bottom to go up. But it looks like it wants to waterfall a little bit. It looks like it does not have enough souls. It needs more souls, baby. You could take some of this out if you want. I'm curious to see if it comes back down a little bit more. slow grinder. Man. Needs to break this higher low and continue down. So what I'm looking at, guys, is the structure of the market. We got a lower low here. We got a lower high. We denied the order block here, which is the purple candle. Usually order blocks are the first candles that are before the reversal. So basically like a candle change. So say these were green and then the first red one, or the last green one would be your order block. So denies right at the midline of it, comes down, still forming lower highs. Higher low is still struggling though, but you know, if these can't hold, then that's our indication of getting out. We really need this to hit a lower low soon, or else the structure is going to be really fucked up. So we got a lower low, lower high, and now it's making a decision now. Almost like a step system. They're stepping down. You know, if you're going down and all of a sudden one step is too high, you're going to trip and fall. What you gonna do, man? Still bouncing off the cookie here. cloud. Got 116 people in there. Hit that follow button. Help me grow. Become a bully bears. Or you're going in the dungeon. Nova's been in the dungeon this whole entire weekend. She upsetted me. I don't know if I'm making this line up. I feel like I am. If anything, there's more of this kind of a line. I mean, at this point, I'm gonna put it to break even, I think. Because if it breaks that lower high, then it's just probably wrong. Oops, see, all right, it got me out. It was a dollar win, but it just wasn't going down. So we're either gonna have to wait to see what the structure is gonna be, I mean, the 5-minute is crazy. Looks bullish though, right now. Like it looked like it wanted to come down a little bit, get some souls, but now we are fighting.
Kremlin's Ushakov says Trump and his key advisors informed Putin in detail about the negotiations with Ukraine. The US held discussions on the need for Ukraine to make real steps towards a settlement, and Putin told Trump that Ukraine launched a drone attack on the presidential residence in Russia. Trump was shocked when Putin told him about the drone attack on Russian presidential residence. Keep in mind, we did hear from Zelensky, who did say that this was a lie.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
Kremlin's Ushakov says Putin told Trump that Russia intends to keep on working with the US to achieve peace, but Russian position will be revised. The Fed bids for 3-month bills total $5.1 billion and 6 months total $4.6 billion.
Can you guys see anything? I don't really see anything here. Worth my while here.
In 10 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, the US is due to sell $86 billion in 3-month bills. The prior high yield was 3.56%, and the prior bid to cover was 2.86%. The US is also due to sell $77 billion in 6-month bills, with a prior high yield of 3.485% and a prior bid to cover of 3.18%.
That's in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. The 3-month bill high yield.
Interfax says Kremlin aide stating Putin and Trump agree to more dialogue.
The only thing I can think of is longs off of these, but I'm not really too sure. I think we should just wait. Ramen, you tell me, bro. Now, it looks really choppy. It's not worth the risk right now. Hopefully, in 7 minutes, there's more news coming out. Hopefully that fucking moves it. I just don't see the risk yet. Yeah. Literally just dumped and then just stopped. Dumps and then just kind of stops. I mean, it's making higher lows over and over again. If it breaks this lower high, I think we rip up. Maybe we could do that. We'll do a buy above this lower high. And then, a sell below this higher low. It'll probably be scalpish though. Like we're gonna just be in and out on that. So just, I don't know if you guys want to even trade it or whatever. It's just the option. Just an opportunity.
In 5 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, the US is due to sell $86 billion in 3-month bills, with a prior high yield of 3.56% and a prior bid to cover of 2.86. The US is also due to sell $77 billion in 6-month bills, with a prior high yield of 3.485% and a prior bid to cover of 3.18.
5 minutes. Patiently waiting. Do 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 do. I mean, this already fucking filled, so I'm gonna delete this one. And we could put a little micro one here. Needs to break above this. And then hopefully we get a souls collector here and just keep going down. That would be amazing. I don't know why, but this last 5 minutes I've been feel like it's double the amount of time. Like, what the fuck? There are a lot of other people trading. Let's see.
Shortly expecting the results with the US 3 and 6-month bill auctions.
Come on. Nice power. What the fuck you trading though? I haven't seen anything. You're trading this chop? This is Powers? Or from earlier. Oh, last night. Last night was fire. Last night was pretty damn good. We were able to... Damn, that shit kept dropping last night. Yeah, it was. Well, it's 11:30. Let's make sure. Let's see what happens. I'll go back to it in a second. $11:30. Come on. Still waiting for it. I mean, I have the lower highs and higher lows for a buy or a stop, but the news isn't out yet. Maybe it's delayed. If it starts ripping up prior, then it's leaked. Yes, choose wisely.
Three-month high yield, 3.57%, 3.57% with a bid to cover of 2.66, 2.66. The US selling $86 billion and awarding 74.04% of bids at high. For the 6-month high yield was 3.5%, 3.5% with a bid to cover of 2.52, 2.52. The US sells $77 billion, awarding 87.64% of bids at high.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets.
All right, they're running along. Hopefully it continues. I don't know. I mean, this is the first time it's broke structure, period, in almost an hour. It is risky. So many little micro order blocks here. Alright, well that one's broken already. Maybe it's a psych out. Below this, I won't like it anymore, and then we're just gonna probably chill for a bit. Maybe come back later. Because I'm not even getting any followers, and there's really not movement right now. Just wasting my time. We got a nice little structure here. But if that breaks, then no good. I wonder if we could buy the bottoms of these and keep trading it up. All right, I'm going to enter one more. I want to enter in 3 more. Try to scalp out of this. Probably going to bounce back and forth. So what I did was I took these lower highs and I drew across. And got these higher lows and I drew across. You see how they all touch, creating some kind of structure. Some kind of, hopefully it's not a descending triangle, but we'll see. Oh, we're not really trading too much, Maverick. It's the first time we really took a trade. Let's see. Kind of stuck in this triangle here. Oh, no, X6. No, no, no. This is just a different one. I'm going to see if we could trade these bounces. Wow. Come on, you were right there. -20? Oh, you held that long? We shorted that, actually. See that higher low? I broke that structure. And then we just went to the next order block. Needs to pick something, right? I mean, it might go sideways for a bit. I wonder if it's actually like this right here. Could be. Could be.
Voice news
Wow,
disconnected.
that got really close to it. Let's put it here. Wow, I'm at $100 loss on that one. Maybe we should be careful. I want to buy one more time, but fuck. Of course, it breaks in the direction. Is this a bear flag? A huge one? That sucks. Still think it comes back up really quick. Watch it just fucking rip down on me. I mean, this higher high broke and didn't do shit. This breaks. Is it gonna continue down now? That's fucked up if it does. That's fucked up, NASDAQ. No. Come on, choose a direct. I don't even if I lose, like, I just want to make sure I get out though if I'm wrong. This was risky, the bounces, but yes, technically, this is the structure break, right? This one didn't close above. I mean, it made a higher high though. Maybe it was his soul collecting. Look on the 30-second. Nothing on the 30 too. What you gonna do? Shot caller, shot baller. Yeah, they are fucked, right? I was trying to play the bounce plays here, but looks like it just doesn't have any structure now again. I feel like as soon as I get off for the day, well, I'm not gonna get off for the day. I'll come back for power hour, but I feel like as soon as I get off, it's gonna be marvelous, fantastic, the best trading you've ever seen in your entire life. A lot of wicks here. Big boy with the rose. Thank you, sir. Thank you, kind sir. I feel like this is gonna play games. Definitely a gamble play and it's working out again. But this structure is completely fucking broken. And it just rips back up. So, yes. FZ, this is the micro NASDAQ. Well, if it goes higher, I'll take an extra fucking 400. No! Keep going up. Yeah, gold. I'm down to trade gold. We made a lot of money on it last night, but it's sideways right now. Is it gonna rip up more?
Daddy? Is that you? Hey, well, the Bully Bear's trading.
I'm not even getting followers. I ain't getting shit. This is a fucked up market. Can you do me a favor and turn down the odor fill sound? It pierces my ear and my wife can hear it even with the noise canceling headphones. I don't know how to turn it down. I guess I could do this one. I'll put it to 50%. not gonna turn it off though. It was at 80. I put it to 50. Do we take it? We're at the lower high again. I mean the trend line. Do I just take that? I think I am. You better close, motherfucker. Okay. That was very slow. Alright, we're up $1,100 on each account. Still kind of spinning our wheels here. I think I'm gonna come back later. I'll hop on. It's really hard to entertain when it's just not moving at all. Trump and Latanya meeting at 1 o'clock. So maybe we'll look at that. But I'm a little hungry too, so.
Daddy? Is that you? Oh,
Daddy, chill.
Maybe I could change the volume of the order filled. Yeah, today was pretty hard price action. I almost got fucked like royally. I thought it was gonna sweep these bottoms too, but it didn't. I'm glad we fucking went in heavy up on that bounce. When these wicks started coming in, I'm like, all right, I was actually right, and I fucking went in. I got lucky though, I think. 50-50. Yeah, the wedge is just the range. But now I can't figure out what the wedge is. Maybe it's the 5-minute wedge. I mean, I guess this kind of makes sense here. But it's waiting for something else. All that price action last night to nada. Nothing. But yeah, I'm going to take a break, guys. I'll be at least on for power hour. I definitely. But if it starts moving like crazy, then I'll get on. I'll get right back on. But right now, it's about to be lunchtime. It's just not moving. So, if you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. Free Discord in the bio. Apex has a 90% off deal for prop firms. 90% off, $19 for any size account. Extremely good, especially if you're still learning. You don't want to practice on these fucking really expensive ones, and if you're good, you can turn Apex into a lot of money. But if you want to use and get the best discount code available, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. If you don't like live trailing drawdown, then you could try Lucid. I've been really liking Lucid. I also have a code with them too. I think it's $75 out the door with them, no activation fee. Use code BULLY again, all caps, BULLY. Other than that, I'll be back on in a little while. I think I'm getting a little sick too. But yeah, this is just choppy. I'm just sitting here, and I don't want to force myself into any trades here that we don't want to. So, and it's lunchtime, but I will definitely be on for Power Hour. If it starts moving like crazy, I'll hop on pretty early. I'm not really going anywhere. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a bit.
Ghost.